Welcome back, guys. Today we are gonna make Lego Rainbow Friends, but it's totally only green, okay? We're gonna make green. It is pretty simple. If you want to make him, you can make it with me. Like and subscribe is in this video because you're gonna like it. So let's do the thing. First step is to put these two plates like this. Okay. Then put these two dark green plates, not plates, blocks on it. Okay. Now we're gonna take these blocks. You know these blocks, right? Now up two of them only. You can also take this Lego in DMart. Look at him. He is from Rainbow Friends. He is Rainbow Friends Green. He is from Roblox. Okay. Now we are gonna add these three pieces. It's very nice. I like it right now. Now we're gonna make his arm. He has pretty long arms, but I don't have many pieces to get him very long, like million blocks wide like this. How am I gonna supposed to do? And it's like, see, what a little block, but I have stack of Legos. Okay. I don't know how many Legos. It's going pretty well. Now we're gonna make the player hiding in a box. First step is to put it here. He is gonna be like this on his hand, green. Look, we're gonna make him in. Now his left arm is done. I've already made his right arm. Now I'm gonna do this so you can see it better. Now we're gonna make him. It's just oopsie. I must have not put his arm tight. Put one gray piece here, okay? And this one piece. It's like this. I'm gonna show you in my yeah. So now we're gonna put it here. What is happening to his arm? Green is not even a weak boy. He is blind, but properly. Now we're gonna make his head. His head is It's very simple. Just take this piece and put it like this, and one piece like this. Now I'm gonna show you. Okay. Why did it fall? I don't know. Hooray! We have completed him. Look how fancy he is. Party time. Ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Party time for green, because green is completed once and for all. I don't know why he's keeping his own color green. Comment down below how he was is. Bye guys. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Bye.